Oh, the wolfman's howling outside your front door. Wolfman's howling, I think he wants in. Better watch out for that wolfman. When there's a full moon, it will begin. The wolfman howling, baby. Are you gonna let him in? Jim was an average, ordinary father of three. Here comes the wolfhound. When he got bit by that wolfhound, it took a great man down to the ground. That dang wolfhound bit him. He got this glaze upon his eyes. Then everything seemed peacefully. So, what's the reason I'm singing you this tune? Well, it's because of what happened on the next full moon. Jim became the wolfman. Now the wolfman's howling outside your front door. Open on up, on up, and let him on in. Better watch out for the wolfman, because there's a full moon and it's about to begin. Old Jim, the wolfman, he means you no harm. He just likes to party. Watch him turn on his charm. We love that wolfman. Let in the wolfman. He's not Dracula. Let in the wolfman. He's not an E.T. The wolfman likes to party, albeit a little conservatively. The wolfman won't bite you unless he thinks you might cause him harm. Put away your silver bullets, don't hurt the wolfman. Now the wolfman's howling outside your front door. Open on up, and let him on in. Better watch out for the wolfman, because there's a full moon